Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So on Tuesdays on my channel, I show you cute little baking hacks or tips. And today I'm going to show you how to make donuts out of pizza dough. So if you want to make homemade fried donuts, but you don't feel too comfortable making the dough, this is a recipe for you. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, what you want to do is roll the dough out into an 8 by 8 inch square or whatever kind of shape I made on a floured surface. And then use a 3-inch round cookie cutter to cut out rounds, and you can use a shot glass or a smaller cookie cutter to cut out centers from each round. Then in a separate bowl, combine some sugar and cinnamon, and then set that aside, and that's what we're going to use to toss our donuts in after they're finished frying. And now it is time to fry the donuts. So what you want to do is pour about 1 inch of canola oil into a large pot and set it to medium-high heat. And you're going to know that the oil is nice and hot and ready to go if you pull off a little pinch of extra pizza dough and drop it into the oil. If it rises to the surface and starts bubbling away right away, that's how you know the oil is ready to be used. Fry the donuts in the donut holes for about 1 minute per side until they're golden brown. And then as soon as you can remove from the oil, tap it a little bit to remove any excess oil, and then toss them in the cinnamon sugar mixture, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that little notification bell so you get notified when tomorrow's video goes live, because I upload 5 days a week. And in tomorrow's video, we are going to be making cheesecake tacos. How amazing does that sound? They taste even better, I promise. So I know you guys don't want to miss out, so make sure to ring that little bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!